Hello YouTube, it's me, Eli, and with my mom. Yes, we're not venturing through Weston. So this spot right here is where I used to do shrooms, acid, before I realized I caught dementia and smoked marijuana. And so I'm leaving these caps behind, Floridian caps. I'm a Floridian. To my father, to my God. Hopefully he'll cure my dementia so I can smoke marijuana again. And yes, I am a bit brain dead, but I shall conquer this epidemic. Yes. Look. Boom. This is my mom. City of Weston. I used to have a girlfriend here, Barbessa. I used to, yes, Barbessa, Anna Grain. I used to have other girlfriends here. But, yes. Okay, thank you YouTube and goodbye. Eli out. Amen.